Hi my dear students, today we will discuss find the rank of the matrix. We have three methods to find the rank of the matrix. Type 1 minor method, type 2 row reduction method, type 3 Gauss-Jordan method. Now we will discuss how to find out the rank by using minor method. Okay, for example, consider a matrix A whose order is m by n. I will take. Okay, m rows, n columns. The rank of A is always less than or equal to minimum number of m comma n. The rank of A is minimum number of m comma n. For example, I will consider a matrix A whose order is 3 by 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. For example, I will consider a matrix A whose order is 3, 3. In this case, the rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3, 3 is 3. So either the rank of A is 3 or 2 or 1. The rank of 0 is only for null matrix. If the given matrix is null matrix or 0 matrix, the rank is 0. Now I took an example whose order is 3 by 3. Okay, here point number 1 or case 1, if determinant A not equal to 0, the rank of A is 3. Here the maximum square matrix is 3 by 3. So if determinant A not equal to 0, that is 3 by 3 not equal to 0, rank of A is 3. Or if determinant A equal to 0, then rank of A is not equal to 3. If the rank is not equal to 3, obviously it may be 2 or 1. Case 2. If at least one 2 by 2 minor of A is not equal to 0, the rank of A will be 2. If at least one 2 by 2 minor of A is not equal to 0, rank of A will be 2. All the 2 by 2 minor of A is equal to 0, then the rank will be not equal to 2. If all the 2 by 2 minor of A is equal to 0, then the rank of A will be not equal to 2. Now case 3. At least one element is not equal to 0 in A. At least any one element is not equal to 0, then the rank of A is 1. That's all. If you consider an example 3 by 3 matrix, okay, the maximum square matrix is 3 by 3. If determinant A not equal to 0, the rank of A is 3. If determinant A, that is 3 by 3 equal to 0, rank of A not equal to 3. Case 2. At least one 2 by 2 minor of A is not equal to 0, the rank of A is 2. Or if all the 2 by 2 minor of A is equal to 0, then the rank of A is not equal to 2. Case 3. If at least one element is not equal to 0 in A, then the rank of A is 1. If at least one element is not equal to 0 in the matrix A, then the rank of A is 1. Case 4. If it is null matrix or 0 matrix, obviously the rank of the matrix is 0. That's all. Exercise 1.2. Find the rank of the matrix by minor method. Let us take the given matrix as A. Your order is 3 rows, 4 columns. So the rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3 and 4. So it will be 3. So the rank of A in this case less than or equal to 3. First check out the rank for 3. We have order 3 by 4. So we have 3 by 3 determinant is more than one combinations. Column 1, 2, 3, one combination. Column 2, 3, 4 is one more combination of 3 by 3. Column 1, column 3, column 4, like that, etc. So at least one 3 by 3 determinant is not equal to 0, then the rank will be 3. First we will check for 3. At least one 3 by 3 minor of A is not equal to 0, the rank will be 3. I will consider first 3 columns. Determinant of 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 4, 8, 1, 0. 0 times anything, 0, leave it. I'll expand along column 1. 0 times anything, 0. Minus 0 times again anything, 0. Plus 8 times, leave the respective row and column. 1, 2, 2, 4. 4 ones are 4. 2 twos are 4. Opposite side minus. So this is 0, this is 0. 8 times 0 will be 0. So this combination I am getting 0. I will take one more combination because I have so many combinations. When I wanted to say the rank is not equal to 3, all the 3 by 3 minors should vanish. I cannot declare with one 3 by 3 value the rank of A. So in this case I have one more combination. I will select column 2, column 3, column 4. Find the determinant value. Expand along R1, 1 times, leave the respective row column. 8, this is 0. Minus 2, leave the respective row column. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, change the sign. Plus 1, leave the respective row column. 0, minus 4. So it will be 8 minus 0, 8, 8 1s are 8. 4 minus 3, 1, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 0 minus 4, minus 4 into 1, minus 4. 8 minus 6, 2, which is not equal to 0. At least one 3 by 3, at least one 3 by 3 of minor A not equal to 0, the rank will be 3. I will repeat, in this case the order will be 3 by 4. So minimum of 3 by 4 is 3. Therefore the rank of A is less than or equal to 3. Or at least one 3 by 3 minor is not equal to 0, the rank will be 3. If all the 3 by 3 minus 0 means the rank not equal to 3, then we will check it for 2. But first we will check for 3. In this case I consider this one, column 1, column 2, column 3, I am getting 0. But I cannot declare whether the rank is 3 or not. If I wanted to declare rank is 3, at least 1 is not equal to 0, enough. But if I wanted to declare the rank is not equal to 3, I want to show all the 3 by 3 minor is 0. So I took this one, I am getting 0. Here I use column 2, column 3, column 4. I am getting determinant value is not equal to 0. Rank of A will be 3. Students may ask, sir, is it necessary to work out this one and then this? If we consider directly this one, no problem. You want to show at least one 3 by 3 minor of A is not equal to 0. It is not necessary you want to show this one and then this one. Okay. If you consider directly column 2, 3, 4, you are getting not equal to 0, you can declare the rank of A is 3. It is not necessary. Understand? Thank you.